This GreenPan Nonstick Skillet Set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 10-inch and 12-inch frying pans. These pans have a hard anodized finish. This finish makes them strong and resistant to scratches. The gray color looks modern. You can use these pans on any stove, even induction. They are also oven safe, so you can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. The best part about this GreenPan Nonstick Skillet Set is the healthy ceramic nonstick coating. This coating is PFAS-free, so no harmful chemicals will get into your food. Cooking is a breeze because food doesn't stick. Cleaning up is also easy. You can even put them in the dishwasher. Many reviews say that the nonstick works like a charm. Say goodbye to the frustration of stuck food and tough scrubbing. If you want a reliable and healthy nonstick skillet set, the GreenPan Nonstick Skillet Set is a fantastic choice. It's durable, easy to use, and simple to clean. This set can handle your everyday cooking needs. From a quick dash of eggs to a full family meal, it's a modern kitchen essential, and it would look great hanging from your pot rack or stored neatly in its box. Forget about stickiness and enjoy cooking with these wonderful pans. Pros: induction compatible, dishwasher safe, oven safe, durable, hard anodized, even heat. Distribution: metal utensil safe, easy to clean, 2 pan sizes. Cons: needs low to med heat, avoid high heat, no metal utensils, some food may stick, not always. Fully non-stick, coating not lasting for some, hand wash recommended, cooking sprays not advised. Features: healthy cooking, PFAS chemical free, induction ready, dishwasher safe, oven safe, durable. Material: even heating, easy cleanup. This GreenPan Valencia Pro set has 10-inch and 12-inch frying pans. They are made with strong material and have a healthy, non-stick surface. This means food will not stick, and the pans are easy to clean. They can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction, and can go in the oven and dishwasher. These gray pans heat evenly for good cooking. This GreenPan Valencia Pro set has 2 non-stick frying pans, 10 and 12 inches, made with a healthy ceramic coating that is free of harmful chemicals. They are safe for induction cooktops, dishwashers, and ovens. The pans are made with strong material for even heating and can handle metal utensils. Though it's better to use low to medium heat and avoid cooking sprays for the best non-stick results and to make the coating last longer. Some users have found that food can stick a bit and the non-stick quality may not always be perfect. Washing by hand is suggested.